Right. And then this is about the technology, okay, but there is something that is more important, okay. When we mention about technology that help AEC, so what are the technology? It is a BIM, but you need to understand that BIM is actually not a software, okay. Actually, BIM is actually the process. And how to make this happen, okay, how to make this happen between the BIM and also the constructions, okay. So we got a BIM here, we got a people, process, and technology. I segmented it into three main criteria. And then what will happen next is that we are looking into the technological wise, okay. So I will address, okay, this technology. I will channel the technology into the construction flow that is composed of the conceptual design, schematic design, detail design, and also for the documentations, right? So the next thing is, what are the BIM tools? Okay, as I mentioned earlier, BIM is actually not a software; it's actually a process. Okay, people when I ask randomly, people they say that BIM is actually the Revit, and Revit is actually the BIM. No, actually BIM is actually the process, and Revit is actually the BIM tools. Okay, just make sure that your facts right. And then I would like to share about what do the Autodesk offer in terms of the AEC collection. So AEC is the architectural, engineering, and construction collection. So what is AEC? AEC is an integrated BIM tools, okay, to support the architect, engineer to do design from start until the end. Okay. So what is included inside the collection here? You can see there is a Revit, AutoCAD, Savitri, Navisworks Manage, and so on. But there's a, I mean, this is actually part of the software because we have 26 software inside the AEC collections, and then we are going to look into what is the difference, okay, functionality in each product, okay. So this one we will further look into later on the next slide and how to begin with. So we will try to see this how to begin with the construction workflow. Okay, on the first slide it's gonna be conceptual. Okay, then it's gonna be detailed. So what are the right tools, okay, being used in terms of the BIM tool inside the conceptual. Okay, and the next process. And the next thing is about how to collaborate and suit to your needs. Okay, we are going to look into how this communications, how this software will communicate with each other. Okay, all right. Okay, I hope everybody stay tight with me. Okay, okay. The next thing is here. Okay, we are going into about the Autodesk building infrastructure and solutions. So here I'm going to explain about the conceptual design, schematic design, detail design, documentation in terms of what are the right tools that need to be put on. Okay, so they say that this one is conceptual. So when we talk about the conceptual, so it is about conceptual masses. Okay, so what will happen when we integrate into BIM? We will try to translate into BIM data. And the next thing about the design logic that drive the model behavior of the design model. And lastly, about capture existing condition compared to BIM data. So this one is more like if you want to know the GIS, the Graphical Information System, about the site condition, okay, of your project. Okay,